I understand that you like science fiction.
I do like science fiction. I heard Neil Gaiman speak the other week. Do you know who he is?
Sure.
He was at North Central. He was fabulous.
What's your favorite sci-fi movie?
My favorite sci-fi movie. Before Avatar, which I really loved, and I love the Star Wars movies. Now I'm forgetting the name of it. The Matrix. The Matrix is my favorite science fiction movie. I love The Matrix because it makes you think. You can analyze it afterwards and try, and I've had discussions with my kids about what the alternate universe was, how far the involvement in the mind journey went, and plus the special effects were fabulous. So that's by far. I was going to say Blade Runner, but I like Matrix is by far my favorite.
Are you not running a 19th century Matrix right here?
Yes, we are. You're right. I never thought of that. You are absolutely right. It's about alternate worlds. Yes, it is about different realities. Actually, this has been one of my struggles with Conner Prairie because I have these 3 boys who are very blunt with me, and my middle son at one point said, "Why would I want to go out to Conner Prairie when I can experience virtual history anytime I want on the computer?" So.
Wow, what do you say to that?
It's not the same. I mean, you can't taste it, you can't smell it, you can't feel it. You can just experience it in your mind.